what's up? It's your boy Coordinator back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Streets Ain't Safe by Mozzy, and I think that's Blxst. Yeah, it's a request by one of y'all, so we're gonna do it. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 4. And the chords we're gonna be playing are A minor to F, right? And then from F we go to D minor, and then E minor, right? So A minor, F, D minor, and then E minor. That is it for the whole song, guys. Same 4 chords. And if you want to learn the chords, like if you don't know how to hold them, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. It has a detailed illustration, but that's pretty much it. It's just so yeah, do check the song out if you don't know it. I personally didn't know it because I don't listen to this type of music, but yeah, that's the tutorial for today. Do leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and click to subscribe for more content like this. Peace.